This house is 110 years old. There's 6 layers of floor in here. And what we wanted to do in partnering with Jamie Banfield and with the clients is trying to make the existing home cohesive. A lot of this cabinetry that you see behind me is actually the existing cabinetry that was here with the original renovation. So this whole bank here, we had a maple stain cabinet. This was all maple stain. There was actually a microwave that went in here, so we made new doors. You can't tell though, because what we did was trying to match the shaker profiles on those existing cabinets with the new uppers that we put in, and we painted everything in place.